Good morning, Carnivore Day 26. We are almost a month out, so that's pretty exciting. We are gonna do some steak this morning. I had laid a bunch of steak out at the beginning of the week. This is our last pack. So we're gonna have some steak and eggs this morning again for breakfast. And then tonight we're going to have some steak and different stuff.
Don't forget me the pancake.
Yeah, the boys are getting some pancakes. And
With jelly and peanut butter.
with jelly and peanut butter. So tonight is it's Valentine's today. Tonight we might do some shrimp and some different things with some steak. We're still debating that right now. And yeah, nice and cold again this morning. It's been nice and warm, and now we're back into the 20s, and so we're just cold this morning. So we gotta get some food in our bellies to get us warmed up. So let's get some steak going. And while Josh is getting the fish ready for dinner tonight, I'm fixing to get some butter melted and poured over the shrimp that we had done up. Wow, the oven,
Get the oven going.
it's going, it's not ready yet.
We just went and picked up some fresh fish. We got salmon we're gonna cook up tonight for Valentine's Day dinner. And gonna do one of them. And then some amberjack and mahi-mahi that we're going to freeze for make tacos one night. And we got some shrimp. Got beef tallow, gonna fry it up in, and then butter, gonna put on top of it. Get some salt. Beef tallow. That skin looks nice and crispy. Fresh Gulf steamed shrimp with butter drizzled on top of it, right?
Yeah.
That cream cheese.
Yep.
And butter. It didn't soften up like I wanted to, but the butter's brown.
They use chicken broth. And that recipe we never failed to put is the butter with the cream cheese and chicken broth. Fish.
Salmon.
Salmon! What's the simple salmon?
The skin is crispy. Hear that? Okay, here we go. The sauce didn't turn out like I wanted it, but it's still gonna taste something good. A little bit of brown butter.
Really good.
Really good. How's the skin?
I'm not crazy about skin on fish, so I haven't tried it yet. But it is nice and crispy.
Yeah, and my salmon is good. What's my spoon? What?
You gotta eat with your hands.
No, I don't.
I'm hankering for sushi. I'm making me a little sushi roll right here. Got salmon, cream cheese, got the brown butter, and crispy salmon skin. Look at that sushi roll right there. Oh, son. Here we go. Listen to the crisp. Mmm.
Oh, and here's my crisp. I can almost taste the skin in my mouth. Look, that almost looks like steak skin.
Yeah, it does.
But it isn't. It's salmon skin.
Mmm. These are good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is so good. The banana.